In this episode, we're going to do some pretty cool stuff. Throwing boulders off the side of mountains, opening up roads with the excavator and the brush cutter, and dodging some bullets. Literally, dodging literal bullets. All on Nateness TV. Oh man, that was a good view. I gotta back up for that. Here we are. There's my sis. Alright, so this is what we're doing today. We're opening up a stretch of road, working tandem, excavator and the brush cutter. Dad's on the brush cutter, I'll be on the excavator today. I'll be going ahead of him with the excavator, throwing boulders, rocks, opening up the road, and he's going to be coming along behind, mowing everything. On my way back down with the excavator, I'll be taking everything that he cut and getting it out of the way. Alright, let's get some work done. You just can't beat the view up here though. Absolutely amazing. You get on a job like this and you have to keep reminding yourself that you're on the clock. You gotta keep working, you gotta keep moving forward. You can't just stop and gawk at everything. But man, it's beautiful. As beautiful as this is, it is dangerous. I'm working right on the edge of a cliff. If something goes wrong, my machine goes over, it's gonna be thousands of feet down to the bottom. This road's not very wide, it's just wide enough for my machine to track down it. So we got to get access so the landowners can get back in there and maintain their forest. We finished opening up this road. Now Dad can come mow it. Time for lunch. Today we had something really special. Sister showed up, brought a full-on meal for us. It was awesome.
This is a good spread you brought.
Thank you.
All kinds of goodies.
Smoked Gouda hummus.
Chips. Nice. Thanks for lunch.
Yeah. Never know if you're taking pictures or videoing me. See, I would stand like a tourist. I'll still in your video.
Well, that was a good lunch. Bellies are full, ready for some more work. This is Dad on his brush cutter. I don't think he has a name for it, but it destroys some brush. Check it out. Now this road here is so full of trees and overgrowth, I have to go through with the excavator and just open it up for him. Alright, so we're on to the second part of the job. A boulder slid down into the road, and so we're heading over to the other side of the mountain to get the boulder out of the road. Little do we know, we're about ready to get into kind of a sketchy situation. We're going to be working right by a rifle range, and we called earlier to let them know that we're coming so they wouldn't be shooting. So let's hope that they got that call. In this clip here, we're talking about how sketchy it is.
Signs creep me out saying that there's gunfire in the area, because of the rifle range.
Yeah. Yeah, not that road back there that turns down the hill, it makes a horseshoe out around this valley, and you're kind of in the, where you hear 'em shooting all the time, and he said that they had them bouncing bullets off their tower tube. They had to go cool their heels.
Holy smokes.
Apparently, some other contractors in the area were getting shot at. People at the rifle range were getting a little bit crazy and trying to ricochet gunshots off of their equipment. So the contractors ended up having to call the rifle range and shut down whoever was shooting. We get there, we start unloading, and we realize that they didn't get the call. They're popping off shots, so Dad has to head back up the mountain where he has cell reception to call them and let them know that we're unloading and they need to stop shooting.
That's sketchy. You know, they're shooting right down there, and they're up this way. You know, so we're kind of, you're not supposed to shoot like that at a rifle range. You're not supposed to do several taps and just tap it like that. Yeah, that's uncalled for. So I'm gonna kind of hold up and just wait here for a little bit because I don't want to get shot. So you got bullets whizzing out through the trees here.
While I'm waiting for Dad to go make the call to the rifle range, I hear this hissing noise. So to add to the stress of the situation, we've got a tire that needs to be fixed here. Just a matter of time before this thing goes completely flat and then we can't move the machine.
We got a flat tire.
Yeah, so we got those tire guys coming. They're gonna come fix the tire on the trailer. It's not legal to go on the road with one of your tires flat. I'm heading out to make sure that the gate is open and make sure that they can find their way up here. Make sure they have everything they need. I wasn't recording. Dang it. All right, ready? Take two. I can't fake it.
I can't either.
I'm so bad at acting. Okay, here's the deal. You come down off the hill with your trailer. Each tire is bagging in full contact as it rolls over rock like this. You know, and this is underlayment rock. This is not road surface rock, but they're building all these rocks at a 6-inch minus. Your tire bags and the sidewall totally gets cut on the side of that. So that's what happened.
Tire guys here. Do a breakdown on the mountain, you want to get Thor to do everything.
Holy smokes, you already got another tire on there? Oh yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if it was because we had rifle shots raining in right before Thor got there, but Thor can change a tire really fast. He really doesn't mess around. So bullets have stopped flying, tires fixed, machines unloaded, time to head up the hill and remove this boulder from the middle of the road. you guys enjoyed it. I know I had fun making this one. If you did enjoy it, be sure and let me know by liking it, subscribing, share it with a friend. That would be the best compliment you could give me. Till next time, guys, have a good one.